Scott, as we look ahead, we're going to talk about our beautiful weekend ahead, but that storm is still kind of building tonight. It's not as big as it's going to get yet, right?
Yeah, it's going to continue to strengthen overnight tonight, Doug. And Philadelphia, kind of on that western edge of where the heavier snow is. So the closer you go to the coast, that's where some of the heavier snow is going to continue to fall. And you can see that right now, that we're seeing this system really starting to come together even more, and will continue to do so. That's why there are a number of watches and warnings all along the eastern seaboard. As you can see, this purple color, winter weather advisories, this light pink color, winter storm warnings in effect, and right along the coastline, that darker red color, that's a blizzard warning because of large amounts of snow on the way and potential of hurricane force winds with this area of low pressure that's continuing to strengthen. One forecast model, really no change in the update, but just it's going to be impressive. Possibly more than 20 inches of snow near Boston, maybe near 30 inches near Bangor, Maine. So they're going to be dealing with that nor'easter up there. We're dealing with some colder air that is in place, and overnight tonight we have high pressure in charge. We have clear skies and dry air in place. We're down to the upper 20s to the low 30s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. But then into tomorrow afternoon, beautiful weather on the way into the upper 60s with sunny skies on the way. Let's stretch that out. Going into Sunday, 69 degrees, mostly sunny skies. But on Monday, we have some rain back into the forecast. Much needed rain. Temperatures into the mid 60s. And you notice as we take a look at the first alert futurecast, we're continuing to see some of that rain making its way through the south and southeast sides of North Texas. So not a lot of rain on the way, but we'll take any we can get. In some spots, maybe picking up 1/10 of an inch of rain. Other areas, about 1/4 of an inch of rain. Now, let's look ahead, and we're continuing to look at next week. And by next Tuesday into Wednesday, some rain's around. Now, going into Wednesday, a lot's going to change between now and then. There's a lot of forecast uncertainty. The moisture is going to start to work in, and possibly dealing with some heavy rain, maybe mixing in with some snow or possibly some sleet and or ice. Again, a lot of forecast uncertainty. It all depends on when the front moves through and the moisture content that will be in place for that. But what I can tell you is colder air is on the way. Here's the temperature forecast for Wednesday morning, low 50s. As we go into the afternoon hours, dropping through the day, and by Thursday morning, the actual temperatures in the mid 20s for us. We struggle to warm up to near freezing for Thursday afternoon, and by next Friday morning, in the teens. So stay with the First Alert Weather Team as we'll continue to watch this system. It's, again, still a lot of time between now and then. So get outside and enjoy the sunshine. A little bit of rain on Monday, Tuesday, mid 60s. Wednesday, temperatures drop through the day. And then we're going to be seeing that mix of maybe some rain or snow or maybe some ice mixing in. But Doug, we definitely need to bundle up by this time next week.
Okay.